So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add color filters to your videos without any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for Clyde. You can see the right spelling over there. Once I search for it, here all you need to do is to just simply hit all tools and scroll down until you find the option of filters. Let's find it. Mm, Sometimes it's difficult for you to find the perfect filter, so you can see here it's right there. Just simply tap over this filter video, and once you do that it will ask you to upload your video file. Now just simply upload the video file of which you want to add the filters. Once you do that, it will provide multiple filters that you can use over your videos that suits more your videos. And once you're satisfied with your changes, you can easily hit export and save the videos to your files. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.